Recent conflicts in the Middle East have completely rewritten the rules of modern air warfare. Low-cost, long-range, one-way attack drones are challenging multi-million-dollar air defense networks and shifting the financial balance of long-range precision strikes. And well, before we move on with this wonderful little development, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe very precisely. Yes, that could be a precision strike from your end. Thank you so much for your kind support. And now for the rest of the development. Indian defense firm IG Defense is positioning its indigenous KAL drone for international exports pending government approvals. It is India's first indigenous 1,000-kilometer class one-way attack drone. Wow. KAL belongs to the emerging category of Shahad 136 type platforms designed for deep penetration into contested airspace. Now, the technical profile of the platform is built specifically for extended standoff engagement. Now, the range is up to 1,000 kilometers. The endurance is 7 to 8 hours of continuous flight. The payload is of 50-kilogram high-explosive warhead, and it has fully autonomous navigation and precision targeting systems. Now, the drone engages strategic targets at long range while keeping pilots and ground personnel out of harm's way, which is brilliant. Globally, platforms like Russia's Geran 2 and the United States' Lucas operate in this same category. These drones allow militaries to execute precision strikes at a small fraction of the cost of traditional cruise missiles. IG Defense is targeting nations looking to modernize their military forces very quickly with reliable, sovereign systems. Militaries across the Gulf and other key regions are expanding investments in autonomous strike platforms. Now, exporting the KAL platform supports India's broader Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, aiming to establish the country as a major global defense exporter. Founder and CEO Bodhisattva Sangapriya stated that autonomous, long-range precision strike capabilities will define future battlefields. He emphasized that India is uniquely positioned to supply affordable, mission-ready platforms to friendly nations. The KAL drone is part of a broader technology push by the company. Now, IG Defense has developed a wider portfolio of combat technologies. These include interceptor drones and FPV combat platforms, counter UAS and electronic warfare systems, AI-enabled swarm technologies, and of course, tactical robotics and heavy lift logistics drones. All export sales remain strictly subject to regulatory clearances and export controls from the government of India. And here, of course, is the front page take. Now, the decision to position the KAL drone for export shows how quickly Indian defense startups are adapting to global battlefield trends. Now, by producing a cost-sensitive 1,000-kilometer strike drone, IG Defense is offering an alternative to foreign platforms while pushing India into the global unmanned hardware market. The question here, of course, that I have for all of you is this: will India's regulatory export framework clear the KAL drone fast enough to capture current demand in the Gulf, or will international competitors secure those contracts first? Something to ponder about. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.